guys, good morning. I hope you're doing good. And it's Sunday morning and I am at my friend's place for a photo shoot. Today I have a photo shoot, and so I'll try to make a vlog and it will be a day in my life kind of. So I'll make you see you know, all my shoots, outfits. Basically I am trying to shoot for 6 to 7 outfits, and I'm really nervous. Or I hope it goes good, and I hope achieve photos. The photographer is also good, so I'll see you super soon, and I'll keep you updated.
You hit me up at 3 AM on a Friday night. Say you ain't feeling right. You need to see my face right now. You ain't over it, just wanna talk.
So guys, these are all my clothes. You know, I'm gonna randomly show you. So I have not yet decided, like, you know, for which photo shoots I have to wear which clothes. And I'm really confused. I think this will be my first outfit, this one. Then I guess, I don't know, I am super confused, and these are my all shoes. So I'll see you in the shoot next. So I'm ready, and now it's time for makeup and see these stuff. So I'm gonna sit right here, and this is the setup, if you can see. So I think I'm gonna do a bubblegum makeup, which if you haven't seen what exactly it looks, so I'm gonna post a picture right away.
Tryna put him in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than the church shoes. Really point to just to hurt them. All red lamps to tease them. None of these toys on lease to. Made the whole year in a week too. Main chick out of their league too. Side chick out of their league too. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks of table cut from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces. And she clean it with her face, but you love your baby. Talking money, need a hearing aid. They talking about you, you don't see the shade. Switch up your style, you take any lane. Switch up your cup to kill any pain. Look what you've done. You're a pretty little star boy. Look what you've done.
So I'm all set for the first photo shoot, and I am super excited but nervous at the same time. So this is the makeup. If you can see, I don't know if this is the I'm so nervous, damn. So this is the bubblegum makeup, and you'll see the outfit in some time, so I have to go down.
You hit me up at 3 AM on a Friday night. Say you ain't feeling.
I hope the weather do justice, and so Bani is getting clicked. I'll make you
Your kiss is a gateway drug. Once you get one, it's never enough. Your kiss is a gateway drug. Once you get one, it's never enough. Cause kissing leads to touch, and leads to love, and leads to fucking, leads to someone always seem to get hurt. Yeah. Kissing leads to touch, and leads to love, and leads to fucking, leads to everything mean nothing. Your kiss is a gateway. You said that you love me. If you really love me, why'd you leave me?
So I completed the first round, I mean the first shoot, and it was freaking difficult. I mean, मुझे लगा कि बहुत आसान होगा photo shoots, you know, मतलब it's very easy, but making expressions is, oh, it was fucking difficult. I mean, honestly, बहुत difficult है photo shoot. Now I'm getting ready for the second shoot, and I hope you guys really like it. And if you like it, so please give it a big fat thumbs up. Hi guys, so I'm done with the second shoot. So this was the makeup. It was so humid outside, and oh god, it sucks. Okay, what is this? So I'll make you see what I am wearing. So this is the dress by Lulu and Sky, and I am in love with this outfit. And it comes with the shorts, so I have a white short inside. So I'm getting ready for the third shoot.
They talking about you, you don't see the shade. Switch up your style, you take any lane. Switch up your cup to kill any pain. And look what you've done.
Hi. So the third photo shoot also got done, and it was again an outdoor shoot, and I'm super tan, I guess, and it is very hot. Now I'm going for the lunch, and after that I have 3 more shoots, so I hope it also goes well, and all the best to me. So I'm done with the 4th shoot also, and that was a bold shoot, and I did it. I tried doing it with cigar, and that was the first time, you know, I tried holding cigar in my hand. So this is the makeup. It's a very bold kind of a makeup, if you can see. And now I'm going for some Indian makeup and Indian outfit, and I'll see you super soon. Bye. Hi guys, so this is now I'm having a 5th outfit, which would be an Indian photo shoot. This was my mom's sari, and I made it a gown out of it, a normal top. And this is something first time I'm wearing. So these are the same earrings I got from Janpat. So let's go. Hi guys, so I am done for the day, and it was my last shoot and last outfit. So it was a very hectic day, and I'm super tired. So I hope you really like this video, and if you like this, so please give it a big thumbs up.